everyone. We are the Bubble Squad and today we are to talk about something really important, our oceans. It's a beautiful world underneath the water, which is full of life, mystery and beauty. But unfortunately it is facing a lot of trouble caused by us humans. A lot of threats that we're given to it. Our planet cannot survive without its essential water. But do not worry. Today we the Bubble Squad are here to solve this problem and we are excited to show you just how we're going to do it. Let's join us for our journey.
Our planet is made up of nearly 71% of water. The oceans are like the lungs of Earth, breathing life into our world by producing over half the oxygen we breathe and helping regulate the climate. But even with all this importance, the oceans are under enormous stress. Pollution from human activities, plastics and chemicals is choking our seas and overfishing is disrupting delicate ecosystems. The sad truth is, if we don't act now, we risk forever losing the incredible biodiversity and vital resources the ocean provides. That's why we're not sitting idle. We are ready to stand up for our oceans.
Sometimes fish think that plastic is their food. This is sad, but the reality taking place in this virtual world. Oceans, they are so polluted, full of plastic. And the fishing we do, it causes so much trouble. We fish more than the nature can provide. It disturbs the balance of the water cycle. Now, we want to do something which will help all of this. We want to fix it.
This project is not just cool technology, it's a game changer for our planet. Imagine oceans full of colorful fishes, coral reefs with shining lights, and crystal clear water where people can swim safely. That's worthy of working with, and it is a if we all do. The aquaboat is enjoyed in rivers, lakes, and harbors all over the world, multiplying its impact with every direct foot move. We together are turning technology into hope for marine ecosystems everywhere.
Aquabot really special is its ability to carefully and gently collect trash. Its suction system is strong enough to pick up plastic bottles, bags and microplastics, but smart enough to avoid harming coral reefs or scaring fish. It's specially programmed to operate quietly so it doesn't disturb the underwater environment at all. Plus, it's solar powered, which means it's sustainable and energy efficient. A key feature we wanted to make sure would help us protect, not harm, nature.
And this is where you guys come in. We have designed an easy to use app which allows you to be a part of this massive solution. Now you might be wondering, what do you guys have to do? You have to basically look for spots. If you find any polluted spots on beaches, rivers, oceans, or even underwater while diving, all you have to do is click a photo and upload it on our app. It's like treasure hunt, but in real life, where the treasure is to clean up trash. Sounds exciting, right? Indeed it is. Each report that you guys sent us will be helping us create a global map of pollutions, alerting communities and scientists who will be working together hand in hand to create a more effective and safe environment for the marine life. Now, think of it. If thousands of people start sending us these reports, it will help us know and mark the zones where pollution is found the most, which will help us to work safely, smartly and more fast, effectively with inconvenient speed.
There's hope. We brainstormed and created a innovative plan healthy, and full of life again. We believe that taking small and smart actions can also bring a huge impact. Our solution comprises of science, technology, and community in effort to heal ourselves. We are ready to take the first step towards a safer ocean.
Connects people in a powerful way. Scientists, kids, families, and even communities can join forces, share knowledge, skills, and passion. By building awareness and involving everyone, we can create change that's sustainable and long lasting.
Not only is it an environmental solution, but it calls to learn and explore. Being involved in the Bubble Squad means diving into STEM. Scientific technology, engineering, and math in fun ways that are engaging and impactful. It is also like a blend of hands working together in collaboration to make a safer environment and meaningful work.
Saving the ocean is not just for scientists, it's for everyone. Let us help our blue planet be full of life again.